Hello, good afternoon and welcome to our video. My name is Kiputo Rajendra Praditayuda with the last student number 1057.
Okay, and my name is Atmal Simanjuntak, and my last study number is 044.
And today we are going to be explaining of what is Nextcloud, why Nextcloud is it can be used as software as a service, what is the benefit for the Nextcloud, and how we're gonna configure Nextcloud. So first, we're gonna start from what is the definition of Nextcloud. So what is Nextcloud? Nextcloud is a cloud service for self-hosting and cloud computing where it can be used to store data and share files online. It is suitable for personal use and for the company use. Nextcloud can be used as a software as a service by providing cloud services similar to public software as a service, but it is in more a secure and controlled environment. And also the cloud can be provide several benefits. For example, in university, it can be used for collaborative tool for the students, and it uh, can be used for remote learning. It can store large amount of students' data, and it also can secure the data for of the students. Okay, and the next one we are going to try to installing and configure the next cloud.
Okay, the first we do is update and upgrade the Ubuntu package. We do update, update. Double N apa satu? Double N ya? And upgrade. Okay, okay. Now we wait. Apa langsung? Okay, done. Now we install Apache and MySQL server. Use apt install Apache to Maria DB server. Okay, yes. Okay, just wait. Okay, now we install PHP and other dependency and restart the Apache. Ini udah restart apa belum? Oke, yes. Di restart dulu kah? Gak usah, langsung aja.
Let me check. Enable record attachment.
Ini dua kali kan? Sekali terus sekali lagi. Okay, now we enable required Apache modules and restart the Apache. To end mode, write the mime and v headers. Okay, next we restart the system. Next, we restart the Apache 2. Okay, module dir Mime and NV already enabled, and we don't restart the Apache. And next is the step two. We will configure the MySQL server. First, we log into MySQL. Okay, then we create user. Next, cloud. Okay, local host, and for the password is identified. Identified by, and this for the password. Okay, then we get the database. Konfigurasi.
Hah?
Konfigurasi.
Konfigurasi. Ah, emang bisa lewat
Oke.
mouse? Bisa. Siapa yang nggak bisa?
And then we quit.
Oh, apa nih?
Okay.
Undangan
And step 3, download, extract, and update the permission.
bawah ke audit.
First,
Lanjut.
okay, first we change directory var, then wait.
Start
Okay,
baru ya?
Hmm?
Start baru ya?
Nah, sudah ada semester 2 nih.
Anjay. Ini sama
and
Gilang
we
ya? Kegiatan ya?
Enggak, bilang panitia BEM dia.
Apa itu?
Aku
wait.
kayaknya
We
undangan gitu loh.
I want to get the link
Mau tuh
first.
diundang.
Ini lagi lomba.
Okay,
Scansa nggak?
okay. We
Spencer.
wait for download.
Scansa.
Oh, Spencer.
Student pasar.
It's the person. Anjit atas zip. Okay, now we unzip. Okay. Okay. Now we remove the zip file. Shit. Okay. And now we change the ownership of the Nextcloud content directory to the HTTP user. Okay. Now the next step is install Nextcloud from the command line. First we run the shell command. First we change directory to Nextcloud. Okay. Then we sudo. Ini nggak ada yang diganti ya?
Ada.
Oke. Oke. The Nextcloud is was successfully installed. Ini ngecek dulu apa enggak? Ini ngecek dulu kan?
Nah ini berarti udah diinstal sukses.
Dicek dulu nggak?
Enggak. Kita belum lihat
Lanjut. Lanjut ke sini.
konfigurasi dulu.
Okay, next is allow access only from localhost. V
Ini keluar dari
Hah?
keluar dari direktorinya ini.
Okay, first we quit from 28 243 28 243 okay. Attachment 2 68 28 243. Emang gini ya? Emang ada merah-merah ini?
Salah cara mutu.
Oh iya. Astaga. Koma. Oke. Gimana nge-save? Lupa gua.
Escape dah.
Escape.
Titik 2x. Wah, susah.
X. Oke. Next we can configure the Apache to load Nextcloud from the var www Nextcloud folder. Astaga. Oke,
Ganti aja dokumen rootnya ke nextcloud project.
itu dong.
Ya itu. Karena semua setupnya udah sama.
Oke, then we change this HTML into Nextcloud. Okay, then we escape and save. Okay, now we restart the Apache server. System.tl restart Apache 2. Okay, and then we will try the next cloud. Ini 192, 168, 28, 243 kalau nggak salah. 243. Oke,
Itu udah bisa.
huruf besar apa kecil? Besar. Ya?
Nggak ada huruf besar huruf kecil nggak ada.
Admin, passwordnya apa lupa bang?
Satu admin satu.
Admin 1, 2, 3. Ya, oh, okay, it's work. Now we continue to configure. Oh, step 5. Giliran kamu ya? Okay, now it's the Yuda.
So now we're gonna go to the next step where we're gonna install and configure the PHP. So we're gonna start from installing this.
Paste coy. Apa lancar?
Now we're gonna check the surface status of PHP. So we're gonna do this. Stop using again. This. And as you can see here, it's active and running. That means the installation has done. So now we go to the next step, which is the check the version. I think we don't need. So I'm gonna check the version. Now we're gonna try to disable the pre-fork module by doing this. We're gonna try to disable the fork module by doing this, and then we this thing, fork module here, and then we enable the PHP FPM by doing this. This. Now we're gonna set the required PHP ini variable by doing this. We're gonna go here and edit this file. Now we're gonna edit some of the file here. So we're gonna try it from max file size. Alright, and then we're gonna go with the PHP FPM full configurations. We're gonna go here now.
Sixty-four, 16, 16, 32.
And then we're gonna restart the PHP surface. Like this. Now we're gonna check the Apache directives for PHP files processing by PHP FPM. So we're gonna do this. Here we're gonna do this.
Options, index, indexes, allow, override, require, or grant.
And then we restart the surface by saying this. And then now we're gonna try to create info the PHP page for PHP filter check. So now we're gonna try to create info PHP page for PHP filter check. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna change title to this. And then we're gonna do this.
PHP. PHP.
And now we're gonna try to check if it's run already. So we're gonna do this.
Okay.
Now, as you can see here, we got the PHP page. So now we're gonna go to the next step, which is enable topic cache in PHP. So we're gonna do this. This one, change to one. This one, change to 16. And now we're gonna try to restart the Apache and PHP RPM. Now we're gonna enable APCU in PHP. So we're gonna try to install it. This with this command, and then we're gonna try to configure Nextcloud to use APCU for memory caching by using this. And then we're gonna restart the PHP FPM Apache like this again. Same group after we configure. We're gonna use this. And now we gonna do the last step of the configuration, which is the installation and configure the Redis. Redis is used for local and distributed caching as well as transactional file locking for the Nextcloud. So we're gonna use the Redis file for locking, file locking code. Alright, so we're gonna do this. So first we're gonna try to install it. Wait. And now we're gonna try to enable Redis server by taking this down. So now we configure the Redis to use Unix socket done ports. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna change it to 770.
Enggak di udah di servernya nggak dihapus. Nih.
And then we're gonna add Apache user to Redis group by using this. And now the last one, we're gonna configure Nextcloud for using Redis for file locking here. Gonna type this.
File w .php. Nggak pakai itu.
And now we're gonna try to enable Redis session locking in PHP. So we're gonna go here. We'll try to enable it from here. On.
Tapi wah, di blok. Wah, minus minus. Memang pakai spasi kah? Berapa? 10.000.
And, so now we're gonna try to restart the HP and Apache here. Um, and now we're gonna try to access here, and then we're gonna here. Now we're gonna go here. Let me see. Okay, so now
Ah,
we're back. Oh shit. So now we're gonna try to implement something from the Nextcloud. So first, we're gonna try to create another account for other group members. So example, I'm doing here. So this is where you want to add the other accounts. Here, and then we try, press new account. And now we're gonna name the new account and add some credential here. So for example, I want to name my other account called Victor. Victor, and then the password will be I'll this and I'm gonna use my email and enter here admin. Now I'm gonna add a new account. Right, so now I can log in from my other device here. Okay, so as you can see here, I can like log in from the other account. Now we're gonna do. Okay, so next one we're gonna create account for my other account. Come to the account.
Okay, for the second account, I will name like this, the password, and the email. Okay, okay, it's working.
Alright, so now each of us already have our own account now. So now we're gonna go to the next step, which is the. So now we're gonna try to explain on how each user can like this. We're gonna try to upload file first.
Ngedit di sini apa ngedit di sini?
Di sini kita uploadnya di sini. So for example, I want to like upload an image here. Files. For example, I'm gonna upload here. So this is how you add some few allowance here. So this is how we allow other people to have access to our file. So here and then we're gonna put this.
Admin.
For example, I want to share to my account name Victor here.
Oh,
So now Victor able to see the pengajuan system PNG, or I want to allow my other friend to access it. So I'm allow it
yes.
for me. Okay, so we save this thing, and then I want to add other friend to have access to the PNG. So we're gonna add Sahat here, and we're gonna allow him to edit. Or if I want, I can like only allow him to view the image like this. And that's how you allow permission for other member to access the file on the Nextcloud. And the next one is how to connect your Nextcloud with LibreOffice. So we're gonna head to the applications here. Head to the applications.
Udah tekan nggak?
I'll say loading.
Oh, iya.
Now we're gonna try to activate LibreOffice on our Nextcloud. So we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna type edit like this. And then as you can see here, there's edit files with LibreOffice. So we're gonna go here and enable it. As you can see here, now LibreOffice are enabled on our Nextcloud. So now we can edit any folder with LibreOffice. So this is how it works. I'm gonna try to edit something with. So now we're gonna try to edit, like for example, I want to edit my Word file from LibreOffice. This is how it works. For example, I'm gonna use my other account to upload the Word file from here. I'm gonna try to do that here and then. Hmm, So here is the new file I uploaded. Where is it? Oh wait, hold on. I forgot to. Okay, so let me allow the admin to have access to my folder. It should be here. So here's the thing. So we're gonna try to edit this thing by pressing right click, and then as you can see here, there's edit limiter of this.
Kok nggak masukin password? Buang, buang.
Not responding. Holy hell. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna try to edit. It will automatically run LibreOffice, and now we can try to edit the files.
Yes.
For example, here I'm gonna type hello. This is edited by other account from nextcloud. Then we just press save using the 2007 format, and it should be changed on other. Nothing is nothing is safe. No, I'm not. Okay, so now it should be safe. Alright. After we save the file, it should be changed on the other devices.
Langsung pindahin nggak sih aku?
So now we're gonna try to install it from other device. And as you can see here, should now we're gonna try to install it here to check if it's already changed. So we're gonna do this. Now we're gonna check. So, and as you can see here, this is the edited part from the LibreOffice. That means the edit got synchronized with the Nextcloud server. So that's how it works. And then if you want to create folder, just simply press this and then just upload folders. And just, but no, wrong. Create a folder just like this and just type anything you want. For example, and you can, and if you want, you can allow any other people to have access to it. For example, I'm gonna try to allow Victor here, and I'm gonna allow him to edit this. Or I can add Sahat and just add custom permissions here, where he can do anything, everything he wants. Just save it. And that's how you upload and then have other people create other account and allow other people to have access to your files and folders. Okay, so that's from me.
Okay, now is the conclusion. Okay, so the conclusion that we got is Nextcloud is a powerful private software as a service solution designed for secure data management and collaboration. There are many benefits and advantages in Nextcloud, which are data security. Nextcloud offers an end-to-end encryption and stringent access controls, ensuring user data is protected from external threats. Eh, So the conclusion that we got is Nextcloud is a powerful private software as a service solution designed for secure data management and collaboration. There are many benefits and advantages in Nextcloud, which are first is data security. So Nextcloud offers end-to-end encryption and stringent access controls, ensuring users' data is protected from external threats. And the second is data ownership, which users have full control over their data, as Nextcloud can be hosted on private servers or chosen cloud environment. And the third one is efficient collaboration, which the platform supports various collaboration features such as file sharing, real-time document editing, and integration with other applications. And the fourth one is customization and extensibility, which Nextcloud can be tailored to meet specific organizational needs with numerous additional applications available. And last is scalability, which this solution is easy to scale according to organizational growth, both in terms of storage capacity and the number of users. Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you for
Thank you.
watching.